What's up, y'all? Today I'm going to be doing a red look. Right now I'm just starting with my eyebrows. I'm using my eyebrow pencil slash brush. The pencil side kind of, it went away. So I'm just using the brush part to make my eyebrow shape, as you can see. It's not ghetto. Please don't say it's ghetto. So yeah, I'll just continue doing that until I get to the next part. So right here, I'm just filling in my eyebrows. I'm making sure I blend the bottom line of my eyebrows, just to make sure it looks natural. So yeah, I'm going to do this one, then the other. I got a unibrow. Next, I'm taking my Tarte concealer and I'm putting that around my eyebrows. I barely have any, I need to get some more. But yeah, I'm putting that on my eyebrows and I'm going to just blend that in and just clean it up. I just messed up my cut. Just cut. Stop. Hold on, y'all. I need to take a smoke break. I'm stressed. Moving on. So as y'all can see, I'm almost forming a unibrow. So I'm just going to take this little brush and just blend the front of my eyebrows into making it look more natural. Much better, sexy self. I know that's right. Next, I will be taking this Tarte concealer and placing it on my eye as an eye primer. Doing this allows the colors to become more bolder and brighter if you do that. So next, I'll be taking my little Nicka New York palette, Watermelon Splash. I'm gonna use this orangish slash pinkish color for the transition shade. Next, I'm going to go into my Beauty Chest by Profusion and use this burnt orange, red color. I don't know, you tell me. I don't know. Burnt red, burnt orange. But yeah, I'm going to use that. Hey. Next, I'm going to go back into my Nicka New York Watermelon Splash palette and use the bright red just to give it more of that red tint. You guys, I hate this part, but I'm going to be doing my eyeliner next. I'm not the best at it, so just bear with me. just gonna go back in and make my wing a little bit longer, just a little bit more, not too much. Just fix it up a little bit. I use this makeup remover wipe just to clean up the wing, just to make it look sharper. Y'all, I had to do my other eye off the camera. It was horrible. But hey, we made it through. It is what it is. Now I'm going to be putting on my iEnvy eyelashes with my Duo Glue. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. I'm kind of struggling to open this. Okay, I think we got it now. You know what time it is. By the way, I'm not promoting vaping or anything. This is just something I like to do, but do you? Anyways, I'll be going in with my eyelash curler. I got this from Walgreens. It's a good price. I forgot the price, but it's not that much. So yeah, then I'll be using my e.l.f. primer, and I'll just rub that in. This helps the foundation last longer. And then I will be going in with my Tarte concealer, and I'll just be putting that on my blemishes, any pimples or dark spots I have. Next, I will be putting on my Covergirl Matte Made foundation. Now I'll be using my e.l.f. cream contour palette. I'm gonna go in with the concealer first and just highlight all those areas on my face, and then I'll be using the contour. I let it sit for 2 minutes on my face, and then afterwards I'll blend it in. I'll be going back to my beauty chest and applying this burnt orange color to my waterline, as well as applying the bright red for my watermelon splash. I'm going to apply my lip liner. It's just a guide to not go out of line when I apply my lipstick, and the brand of the lip liner is Technic. Yes, honey. Now I'm going to be applying my BYS highlighter palette. I'm going to be applying highlighter under my eyebrow bone, on my cheekbone, the tip of my nose, and my cupid's bow, which is above my lip. Child, look at that glow. Just look at that. Oh my God. I'm just going to blend in my natural lashes with the false lashes, just to make sure they look, you know, natural. Now I'm going to be applying blush from my Beauty Chest palette. It's like a peachy color. You guys, these shades don't have any names to them, so, you know, I call it what I see it.